We all love the idea of one central place for all our money. Digital banks like Lunar make it easy to get a full financial overview right on your phone, and linking accounts from other banks is usually a key feature. But if you've tried to add certain savings accounts and hit a roadblock, you are not alone. There's a clear rule that explains why some accounts just can't be connected to Lunar. It comes down to the type of account it is. Lunar, like many financial apps, typically uses a standard known as open banking or similar API technology to connect. This allows them to see transaction history and balances from your other institutions, giving you the great overview. However, the connection is usually limited to accounts designed for daily transactions and easy access, what are often called deposit accounts or current accounts. This means your everyday bank account, the one your salary goes into, is generally fine. The hang-up happens with what are called special savings accounts. These include things like dedicated child savings accounts, long-term pension plans, or certain investment and securities accounts. The reason is twofold. First, these special accounts often have different legal and regulatory frameworks surrounding them. They might have rules about who can access the funds, when they can be withdrawn, or they could be linked to specific tax incentives or government schemes. Mixing that data with an everyday spending app can create complex compliance issues. Second, for security and data minimization, Lunar focuses on pulling the necessary information for your daily financial overview. Accounts like long-term investments or retirement funds are often structured as separate, protected entities. Linking them might expose more sensitive, less relevant information than is permitted or required under their agreements. So, if you're trying to link a traditional high-yield savings account where you deposit and withdraw freely, you're likely fine. But if it's a protected, goal-specific fund with strict rules, it's intentionally left off the connection list. The unlinked status isn't a glitch. It's a deliberate boundary, often put in place to ensure compliance and keep your most sensitive, long-term savings separate and secure according to the specific rules governing those specialized products.